So if you want to install WordPress in a Docker container, this video will show you how to do that with step-by-step instructions, and let's get started. So what we just need to do is we just need to install Docker Compose. So if you type in sudo apt get install Docker Compose, this will install Docker Compose on your system, right? So as you can see, I already have it installed, so I don't need to install it, but you should install it if it's not already installed on your system, right? So the first step is that we need to create a folder for our Docker container. So if you come to cd /var/www, from here, what we need to do is we just need to create a folder. Make sure that you use sudo, right? So I'm just going to create another folder called test folder. So make sure that you use sudo mkdir and your name of your folder, right? As you can see, my folder has been created, but I'm going to use a different folder. So I'm going to actually use YouTube tutorial. Then from here, what we need to do is we need to install or basically put a docker compose.yaml file, right? So once you're inside the folder, there's just two things you need to do. Copy docker compose from my GitHub, and then .env you also need to copy, but then change the credentials. So if I cat the .env file, you just need to basically change all of these credentials. And then if you cat the docker compose file, it should look something like this. Obviously, everything is on GitHub. All you have to do is you literally just have to copy and paste it, right? Then once you paste both of these files, and there is basically stuff inside these files, so they're not empty, make sure they're not empty. And this is why I'm saying also to use sudo, because if you don't use sudo, you're going to have a permission problem, right? So use sudo or use sudo-su to have root permissions or elevated permissions. Then once you do that, all we need to do is we just literally need to run one command, and this is going to run our Docker container. Now to just run the Docker container, all you have to do is type in sudo docker compose up-d. This will start the Docker container. I'm already running my container, so for you, I'll probably just say created or something like that. And then to verify that everything is working fine, if you type in sudo docker compose images, it should display three Docker containers. So phpMyAdmin, WordPress, and a WordPress MySQL database, right? Then let me just demonstrate how to access these, right? So if you actually open up a browser and you type in the following command, the following URL, http localhost port 80, right? And this should redirect you to a WordPress installation, right? So as you can see, there is basically the language setup, so you can actually click any language you want. Now also, if you actually type in localhost and port 8081, now this is only accessible for localhost because that's how it's designed. So it's only accessible for localhost. And this actually allows you to see the whole database, right? Okay, I'm logged in. So if I actually refresh, as you can see, there is basically the installation done. So we can actually go to users. And as you can see, we have our users. Also, just in case you are wondering where is the folder with all the installation files, so like the configuration files, is literally inside the folder you have created, right? So if you type in wcontent, right, as you can see, there is index.php, plugins, theme, uploads, right? So this is your main folder of WordPress. So just in case you want to upload something, this is where you have to upload, and it will appear back on the website. Right, so if for whatever reason you want to shut down your Docker container, all you have to do is you literally have to type in sudo docker compose and then just down. What this will do is it'll basically shut down the Docker container, and it is not accessible anymore. So if you want to shut it down for whatever reason, maintenance, whatever reason, you can do that with this simple command. And then all you have to do is start up again. You just have to type in sudo docker compose up-d. So the first command that I showed you when you were starting the Docker container. Right, and that'll be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, please comment down below, and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, comment, and check out my other content on my channel. There's literally plenty of content about IT, cybersecurity, or just about anything. And thank you for watching. Peace.